First day is a test for screening. Here comes the next day where psychological test will start.
Who are we? How is the Josh? Hi, sir. How is the Josh? Hi, sir. I said, how is the Josh? Hi, sir.
You may get chance on fourth day, and if it is on the starting side, you may get chance for interview on the third day itself. So let us start with the group tasks. Group testing officers have got his task divided into two parts. One is indoor and another is outdoor. Let us discuss the indoor tasks. Indoor tasks is lecturate, group discussion and group planning exercise. Lecturate is a very fantastic thing. There's a curtain kept, you go there, pick up a chart, select one topic. In case you are the first speaker, you will be given some time and approximately 3 minutes, because any speaker who comes after you, when you reach to the lecture stand, then he opens his chart, so he is also getting approximately 2.5 to 3 minutes time. So everybody gets the same duration. In those 2.5 minutes, you decide which topic you have to select and make up your mind. Gentlemen, don't try to write anything on your hand. Don't try to write anything on your page. You are not supposed to carry it. Decide a topic on which you have got matter to speak with facts and figures. Don't pick up a general topic. Pick up a topic. It may be easy or difficult. That is not my point. My point is how much facts and figure you can give about that particular topic. And in lecturate, when you start speaking, after 2 minutes 30 seconds, there is a buzzer or a bell which will go. That is an indication that you now finish your lecture in next 30 seconds. So my advice to you, when you start speaking, first my point, I am very clear that you should select a topic where you have got facts and figure and data about it. Then kindly keep yourself away from the lecture stand. Don't take support. Look into the eyes of people who are listening to you. Don't try to make any gesture throughout the GTO. Don't think he is not listening to you. He is listening your each and every word. He is even noticing your body language also. He is noticing your clarity of thoughts, your way of communication. And gentlemen, you should have crest and troughs when you are speaking. It should not be there that you are speaking in one tone and suddenly you say thank you. Your listener should come to know that you are about to finish. That should be the part of the lecturate. And then comes the group discussion. GTO comes to your group, he will give you two topics, and whichever topic is selected by majority of people in group, that becomes your group discussion topic. Gentlemen, when somebody else is speaking, try to listen to him, and whenever you get chance, give out your points. Nobody will invite you there, let me tell you. You have to grab your opportunity during group discussion. Give logical points. Do not give this logic. When some people do not make it, they say, sir, I spoke for 3 times, and people who spoke only for once, they have been selected. I have spoken for 3 minutes, for 3 times or 4 times, I have not been recommended. It is not that how many number of times you will speak. It's and what logical things you are coming out with. What is the correctness of what you said? That is more important. Your confidence is very important. Be very clear. Here again point comes. Sometimes people say, sir, other people, they formed a group and they never gave me a chance. Nobody will give a chance. Again I ask them, in lecturate, who stopped you? Lecturate was totally your independent business. So don't give these excuses. Participate well. GTO is listening to you. Even if nobody is listening, GTO is listening to you. And I can assure you, When you talk logical, everybody will listen to you. They will appreciate you. They will even select you to give a common story or a common solution on behalf of group also. Don't worry about this. If you have liked this video, kindly share and subscribe. And in case you have got any queries, kindly post them in the comment box.